2021 comes to a close, uncertainty continues in areas of everyday life, including how people purchase and consume their foods. Over the past 12 months, several trends stand out in the world of baked goods. Let's quickly review a few of these trends with real staying power in the coming year. When it comes to online shopping, purchases remain higher than they were pre-pandemic, with the average shopper of 2022 and beyond likely being a hybrid shopper participating in a split online and in-person purchasing experience. Another trend that has continued to grow in recent years is an increase in attention to labels, quality, shelf life, and food safety. Consumers are emerging from the pandemic with renewed commitment to simple labels, simple ingredients, and awareness of how their food is produced. Most baked goods are naturally plant-based, and plant-based trends are making its presence felt throughout the food industry. Bakers have a leg up on the competition when it comes to capitalizing on this trend. Baked good manufacturers should take the next step, building on that solid platform by adding protein, reducing sugar, and marketing product as ketogenic, or emphasizing a variety of other health-first attributes, will only increase the momentum generated by having a plant-based product. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date with the latest food news by signing up at thebakerstake.com.